So I developed this one because I was in the field a lot, and I was finding it hard to actually utilize and use the paper notes and then take pictures. I was finding it very hard to compile all these things, and then I would lose track of a few maintenance tickets, which for anyone that has actually dealt with tenants, you will go to site, you have forgotten that they wanted their meter worked on, and then you either don't want to go and actually do the site visit, or you are struggling to actually get a repairman out there on the day that you are going. So it's just not a very good experience for property managers who have to constantly keep tabs with all these things. So you're keeping tabs with rent, you're keeping tabs with the people that are moving out, you're keeping tabs with maintenance requests, and then with service providers, it becomes a lot. So I wanted to automate my record keeping for maintenance tasks, where I could build a team to seamlessly track all these things. So that is where Wekoleko came from. It's just a maintenance tool. So Wekoleko, an intelligent maintenance companion for seamless task management and field operations, built with a modern, clean, and impressive user software. So we are going to go through the software. We're going to go through the different iterations and the versions that I did. And below here, you can see some key features that we're actually going to go ahead and discuss. So a modern user interface. So I try to make it sleek and impressive, just that it is attractive to use for the property managers. And then user authentication, so that we can have some control or some secure registration. Security has actually become top of mind when I'm designing some of the systems. So later on, I'll start I should say, disclosing some of the techniques that we are using just to make sure that the system is actually very secure, because in the age of AI, things like cyber attacks are going to become way more common than they are right now. And it is better to be safe than actually try to recover from a cyber attack. An interactive dashboard, because we need a dashboard for this one, a dual layout mode, so dark and light, as well as grid view, and then the list view, and then search bar, so that you can easily search and sort through your maintenance tickets. CRUD, so CRUD stands for create, remove, update, and delete. So that is just creating, reading, updating, and then deleting maintenance tickets. Image uploads, because remember, like I said, I was writing down a ticket in my notebook, and then I had to remember which picture it, for example, ups to when I'm making the maintenance report at the end of the month, which was getting hard for me. And then the responsive design, because I needed it to work on desktop as well as mobile. So mobile when I'm in field, and I can easily use this on my phone, and then desktop for when I am working on the management report. So those are the key principles that I sort of took into consideration when I was actually working with the system. The tech stack, it's front end on React. Routing is React Router. State management is by React Context API. And then animations is by Framer Motions. Date management, because the tasks are all tied to dates. They have expiries and things like that. We will see them. And then we have styling, so I used CSS, and then some custom layout techniques, as well as Axios for the API. Client license is a simple MIT license, and the author is me, Raymond Kirungi Akiki. And yeah, I guess let's get into the live demo of some of the few versions and what I came up with.